Good morning students. Now we learn third lesson periodic classification of elements. In previous video class you learn development of periodic table, work of Moseley's and modern periodic law, grouping of elements based on electronic configurations and nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. Electronic configuration of elements shows a periodic variation with increase in atomic numbers. Similarly, a periodic trend is observed in physical and chemical behavior of elements. Next, we will study periodic trends properties. They are atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity. First one, atomic radius. Atomic radius of an atom is defined as distance between center of its nucleus and the outermost shell containing valence electron. We cannot measure directly atomic radius from radius of an isolated atom. In max subject, you learn what is radii. Imagine a circle. In this circle, center of the point to the end of the circle. Distance is called radius. Like radius of circle, atomic radius of an atom is defined as the distance between center of its nucleus and the outermost shell containing valence electron. Usually, atomic radius is referred to as covalent radius or metallic radius, except for noble gases. This radius depending upon nature of bonding between considered atoms. Second point, covalent radius. Covalent radius is 1/2 internuclear distance between two identical atoms. These atoms linked together by a single covalent bond. These internuclear distance can be determined using X-ray diffraction methods. Next, consider atom as a sphere. When two atoms are combined together, at the time, distance between center of two nucleus is equal to internuclear distance. So, internuclear distance is equal to sum of two radius of atom. So, we find out radius of single atom from internuclear distance. That is, internuclear distance is divided by 2, that is equal to radius of single atom. For example, find radius of chlorine atom from internuclear distance. We know radius of atom equal to internuclear distance by 2. So, radius of chlorine atom equal to 1.98 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.99 angstrom. Covalent bond is formed by overlapping of these combining atomic orbital. So it reduces the expected internuclear distance. Hence, covalent radius is always shorter than actual atomic radius of atom. Shoemaker and Stevenson give one formula for find out internuclear distance from atomic radius of heteronuclear diatomic molecules. What is called heteronuclear diatomic molecules? The combination of two atoms must be differ. The given molecule is heteronuclear diatomic molecules. See the formula. dA minus B equal to RA plus RB minus 0.09 into XA minus XB, where dA minus B is the internuclear distance between heteronuclear diatomic molecule, RA radius of atom A, RB radius of atom B, XA electronegativity of atom A, XB electronegativity of atom B. Later we will discuss electronegativity of atom. In this equation, where XA, that is electronegativity of atom A, is much greater than electronegativity of atom B. Radius of atom unit is angstrom. By using this formula, we can find out radius of any atom from known value of another radius of atom and electronegativity of these two atoms. For example, we find out radius of hydrogen atom from known value of radius of chlorine atom and electronegative value of hydrogen and electronegative value of chlorine atom. Radius of chlorine atom is 0.99 angstrom. Electronegativity value for hydrogen atom is 3 and chlorine atom 2.1. First write Shoemaker-Stevenson equation dA minus B equal to RA plus RB minus 0.09 into XA minus XB. Consider atom A hydrogen, atom B chlorine. Internuclear distance between hydrogen and chlorine atom is 1.28. Next, substitute these values on Stevenson equation. So, DH bond Cl is equal to RH plus RCl minus 0.09 into XH minus XCl. So, 1.28 is equal to radius of hydrogen plus 0.99 minus 0.09 into 3 minus 2.1 equal to RH plus 0.99 minus 0.09 into 0.9 equal to RH plus 0.99 minus 0.081 equal to RH plus 0.909. So, RH is equal to 1.28 minus 0.909, that is equal to 0.371 angstrom. So, radius of hydrogen is 0.371 angstrom. Next, metallic radius. Metallic radius is defined as 1/2 of the distance between two adjacent metal atoms in a closed packed metallic crystal lattice. So, metallic radius is equal to distance between two adjacent metal atoms divided by 2. For example, consider copper metal. Copper metal interatomic distance is 2.56 angstrom. So, metallic radius is equal to interatomic distance divided by 2, that is equal to 2.56 divided by 2 equal to 1.28 angstrom. So, copper radius is equal to 1.28 angstrom.